Join me as I dive into the mysteries of black holes and try to uncover what's really hidden inside them. Black holes are one of the most fascinating objects in the universe, shrouded in mystery and intrigue. They're regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape once it falls inside. But what makes black holes so captivating is not just their incredible power, but the complete and utter uncertainty of what lies within. The challenge of understanding what's inside a black hole is a daunting one. By definition, anything that enters a black hole is trapped forever, cut off from the rest of the universe. This means that we can't simply send a probe or a spacecraft to explore the inside of a black hole and report back to us. We're left with only theoretical models and mathematical equations to guide our understanding. One of the most significant obstacles to understanding black holes is the problem of gravity. You see, our current understanding of gravity, based on Einstein's theory of general relativity, breaks down at the extreme scales found at the center of a black hole. This means that we need a new theory, one that can reconcile gravity with the strange and counterintuitive world of quantum mechanics. The laws of physics as we know them cease to apply inside a black hole. The extreme gravity warps space and time in ways that our brains can hardly comprehend. It's a realm where the rules of reality no longer hold, and our current understanding of the universe is no longer applicable. Theories about the interior of black holes are as fascinating as they are mind-boggling. At the heart of every black hole lies a singularity, a point of infinite density and zero volume. It's a mathematical concept that defies our understanding of space and time. The event horizon, the point of no return around a black hole, marks the boundary beyond which anything that enters cannot escape. But what happens beyond the event horizon? Does the fabric of space-time continue to stretch and distort, or does it break down entirely? One of the most intriguing ideas about black holes is that they might be connected to the fabric of the universe in ways we can hardly imagine. Some theories suggest that black holes could be portals to other dimensions or even wormholes, shortcuts through space-time that could allow for faster-than-light travel. Recent discoveries have only added fuel to the fire of speculation. The detection of gravitational waves, ripples in space-time produced by the merger of two black holes, has opened up new avenues for studying these enigmatic objects. The possibility that black holes could be used to test the fundamental laws of physics is an exciting one, and scientists are eager to explore this new frontier. The idea that black holes could be connected to the structure of the universe itself is a tantalizing one. Could they be the key to understanding the universe's origins, or even its ultimate fate? The more we learn about black holes, the more we realize how much we still have to discover. In conclusion, black holes remain one of the greatest mysteries of our time. Despite the enormous progress scientists have made, we still have much to learn about these enigmatic objects. The allure of the unknown continues to captivate our imagination, and the search for answers will undoubtedly continue to fascinate and inspire us for generations to come. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the heart of black holes. If you have any thoughts or theories, please leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more fascinating insights into the mysteries of space, be sure to check out our video on dark matter and dark energy.